Isaiah 60:22 says, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. I want to encourage someone out there that no matter what you're going through, keep trusting in the Lord. He's going to come through for you. God is always on time. He's never late, and He's going to do everything you want for you. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. It's good to see you again. So lovelies, I saw this style online and I decided to try it on my baby girl. Trust me, it was so beautiful. You know, it's a threading hairstyle with steez. 100% steez. Trust me, this is very beautiful. You can as well use this style for a photo shoot, or it can serve as back to school hairstyle as well. It depends on the school of your child anyways. So keep watching, you get everything I did. Right here, as you can see, I've parted it into two and I parted another straight line. Now I'm parting my square shape for the threading. Okay, so this is me applying my gel just to pull the hair together, and I'm using 4 strands of wool for this hairstyle. I'm using Brazilian wool, so I've already started threading, as you can see. So after threading these for a while, not too long though, you're going to part another hair at the back, then you join this with the one at the back. Okay, so you will see the whole process. Keep watching. If you're just seeing my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Support Hi, I'm a baby girl. God bless you. We love you. My returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. Your love keep me going. God bless you. May God replenish you. To those watching, liking, sharing and commenting, I'm so grateful. May God honor you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll be so happy to have you here. See you again. As you can see, I have joined the first one to the one at the back. Okay, so here I later lose this particular one, the second one, because my baby's hair is soft and it's not holding down, it's pulling off. So if you have a child with a 4C kind of hair, as you can see, I'm using rubber band. If you have a child with a 4C kind of hair, then you don't need rubber band. Okay, but because our own hair is very soft and it's not the thick type, it's kind of slimy. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. That's why I'm using rubber band. Okay, so rubber band is not necessary. Keep watching. Thank you for staying by.
Used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me.
As you can see here, she's already feeling her hair. She's telling me my hair is beautiful, mommy. She's the kind of girl that loves making her hair. You know, she does not, it's not difficult for her to make her hair, and I'm so grateful for that. So yeah, that's that. Thank you so much. We're almost done right here. So we're, doing the last chain right now. And at the end of the day, you're going to see these tees at the end of this hairstyle. Yes. So we're done with the threading, and here I'm securing the hands together to form just one. Okay, so by the time you secure the hand, you can leave it this way if it's for back to school. Okay, this can serve as back to school hairstyle. You'll see what I'm saying very soon. But if it's not for back to school hairstyle, like you still want to do like a party kind of hairstyle, or you just want your child to to look different, then you can add my twist to it right there. So yeah, I'm tying that together, and I'm going to be securing that. You pull it up, you pull it inside any of the chain and tie it together right there. Cut the extension that is not needed and just secure with a lighter. So here is where the stitch is. I got a kinking extension and I cut it into 4, then I'm tying it right there the same way you see me do. Just pull it in and tie, just one step, and that's it. It's beautiful, it's giving. As you can see, it's 100% steez, it's a beautiful hairstyle. You can try this as well for your baby girl. Thanks for watching. We love you, we appreciate you. We'll see you again next week. Bye bye.